week. Chef Nikki here, back with another episode of Nikki Talks Food. So today we're gonna make one of the greatest desserts of all time, the Baked Alaska. Before we get started, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the little bell so you know when I post, and as always, leave a comment down below after you watch the video. I'll put the link to this recipe in the description. So the first thing that we have to do is make our sponge cake. That's gonna serve as the base for our Baked Alaska. So I have 4 egg whites. We wanna make sure that the bowl and the whisk are very clean. Also, the bowl that you measure your egg whites in. So wash it when you take it out of the cabinet so that you're sure that there's not even the slightest bit of grease. Because if there's a little bit of residue, your egg whites are not gonna whip, they're just gonna spin in the bowl. So if that happens, you know what's happening. So 4 egg whites. Next, we need to sift together 1/2 cup of cake flour and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Next, we're gonna whip up these eggs to, they're kind of like at a softish fluff. Then we're gonna add 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Ribbons. Now we're gonna put a teaspoon of vanilla extract into the eggs. Gorgeous. Fluffy. Look at these ribbons. Okay, now we're gonna fold in our flour and gonna really gently do this little shake. Now we're gonna fold in 1/3 at a time of this beautiful whipped egg white. So we'll do one little batch like that. Satisfying this is. Now I have a greased pan, but I have flour on the sides and parchment on the bottom so that my cake doesn't stick, but also my cake will have something to climb onto as it is baking. And this will bake for about 7 minutes. It should spring back when you touch it. All right, now our sponge is done and we are gonna make our Italian meringue. So we have 4 egg whites and that's going into the mixer. And you can use pasteurized egg whites if you feel more comfortable. 3 ounces of bottled water. And the reason why we use bottled water is because your tap water probably has some minerals in it and it will make the sugar seize up. And then, so 3 ounces of bottled water, 2 ounces of corn syrup, and I just put it all in one little thingamabob here. And I'm going to put it into my little pot. So now we have our liquids and we're gonna put 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. Keep this thing on. Okay, now that it's at 225, I'm gonna start whipping again. Okay, 245. Now I'm gonna cut this heat off. Have you seen anything that is more beautiful than this? Look at the texture there. It's just so gorgeous. It's like a twisty treat. All right, let's put this baby together. Cocoa powder. Snowing because it's Baked Alaska. Bam. And that's Baked Alaska. I mean, that's ridiculous. You can do these ahead of time. You can put the ice cream on and then pipe them. And then right before you're ready to serve dessert, just blow torch them real quick and out the door so you look like a real hero for your next dinner party. Obviously, social distance and get your vaccine. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like my show, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell, and as always, leave a comment down below after you watch the video. I would love it if you would share my videos, put them on your Facebook page, put them on your Twitter page, share. You can also get my pro seasoning and my pro Java barbecue rub at chefnikki.net. That's Nikki with 2 Ks, and I'll put the link right here. Support local, support small, support women owned.